Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel. This channel is all about the occult sciences, as I already told you. Alright, so this is a general reading for my Pisceans. Alright, so it might resonate, it might not resonate, so don't get hard pressure on yourself if it doesn't get resonate. Might not be the message for you this week. The message might come for you for the next week. All right, do leave a comment into the comment section down below. Do leave your suggestions over there, all right, which will help me to know whether it's resonated with you or is there any suggestions you want to give me. All right, so I'm open for the personal readings as of now. The details are given into the description box down below. There's a WhatsApp number, there's an email ID. You can contact me and connect me through WhatsApp for the personal readings. All right, so let's begin and see what do we have for our Pisceans this coming week from this Tuesday till coming Monday. All right, in the Holy Spirit of all God goddesses, my dear angels, what messages do we have for our Pisceans from this Tuesday till coming Monday? What messages do we have for my Pisceans? What messages do we have for my Pisceans this week from this Tuesday till coming Monday? What messages do we have? Communication is coming towards you, Pisceans. There's a lots of communication coming towards to you. What I feel. Wow. Oh, beautiful, yeah. Very beautiful. Alright, Pisceans, at the bottom of the deck I have this Wheel of Fortune. So something is turning up in your favor. Something has taken a pace all of a sudden and things are turning in your fortune. Alright, the fortune has started working for you now. Alright, so the wheel has started turning for you in your favors, making your things possible, making your works possible, your relationships and everything. Alright, so let's begin with your health. Health is very good this week, Piscean, not to worry about with this 8 of Wands. Alright, just take care, maintain the balanced diet, alright, and eat healthy, alright, and just protect yourself from the fire elements. I would suggest you for this week. Rest, things are good, health is good for you, nothing to worry about. Coming towards your finances, okay, finances are getting imbalanced, Piscean, with the 6 of Pentacles. Finances are getting imbalanced. You're not looking at the 360-degree horizon, but at the 180-degree horizon. You're looking at just with the one side. All right, look at this card. The person is just donating at one side, whereas the other person is just looking at him. All right, where he is not paying attention. So it might be the chances if you're investing, because these are the finances. If you're investing and you're just looking at one deal, all right, but not looking at another deal, you might lose up. You might lose up in consequences, or might be you have not planned your expenditures. Again, your finances would be troubled with this coming week, Piscean. All right, so you need to create a balance. You need to plan up the things this week in terms of your finances, and then you have to seek a balance. That is the word for your finances, creating a balance. Seek a balance. Coming towards your workplace, a new opportunity is coming to you, all right, with this Ace of Wands. Might be a situation that some of my Pisceans have left a job or might have lost a job, all right, but the new opportunity is around the corner. Nothing to worry about, a new opportunity is around the corner, or might some of my Pisceans have changed a job, all right, so nothing to worry about. Workplace is treating you well. All right, so not to worry about. The worry is actually coming in the terms of relationship, Piscean, this week with this 10 of Swords. With this 10 of Swords, I'm a bit worried that, somebody is going to backstab you, or maybe your partner is going to backstab you. All right, this is the one situation, all right, that you might face a betrayal, or you might, face a backstab. The another situation which I'm feeling over here is that getting out from a toxic relationship. And having a new relationship. or maybe ending up a divorce, getting out of a divorce, and getting married again. This could be the situation. These are the three possible situations in terms of your relationship, but then your relationship is at a testing time for now, Pisceans, for this week. All right, so take care. I hope you hold the strength to overcome this situation in your relationships. All right, now coming towards the challenge for you for this week, Piscean, is the Six of Swords. Is the Six of Swords with the Ace of Swords. Six of Swords with this Ace of Swords, you're moving towards a new opportunity, what I'm feeling. All right, or maybe this could be anything that you're trying to move, you're leaving something toxic, as I already told you. All right, and this could be in a term of relationship as well. All right, not at just the workplace, not in just in the terms of finances, but at the relationship as well. You're moving forward. All right, taking a new opportunity for you. All right, or might be you'll face that you're finding a difficulty in moving ahead. This could also be one of the reasons. All right, that you might facing a difficulty. All right, with because things are not in the balance. All right, though I specifically disbalance in the term of finances, but then it could be in relationships or otherwise also. All right, so just take care that what it is, but then I'm sure a new partnership is definitely coming with you, because I'm having two aces. Two aces, that means a strong new beginning is coming across to you, right? Maybe in a relationship, maybe at the workplace, it could be anything. All right, so just roll your sleeves up, be ready, and just embrace this new beginning coming across to you. All right, the final outcome for you, my dear Pisceans, is the Queen of Pentacles with this Emperor. All right, so the final outcome is asking you to stay stable. All right, stay grounded. Somebody who is very Queen of Pentacles, somebody who is very intelligent, who is very wise, all right, and who is very stable and grounded lady. All right, and this was and when I speak about the Emperor is somebody who is very much experienced. All right, so again, the two things coming across to you for the final outcome is that listen to the elderly people giving advices you this week. All right, listen to the people. A person could be 40 plus. All right, might be your grandparents or your parents. All right, advice to stay grounded and stable. All right, that is the final call for you for this week, Pisceans. All right, let me see what Oracle holds for you. All right, what is the another message that universe? All right, cards just flipped out and I want to take them. So let's see what do we have. Wow. This is beautiful, Scorpions. All right, I'm so sorry, Pisceans. I've just did a Scorpion reading before this, so just having Scorpion on the tongue. All right, victory and appreciation. Victory and appreciation. So the week would be turning as a victorious event for you this week. All right, and you will be appreciated by the people around you. All right, so you're getting the victory because, as I told you, you have two beginnings. All right, lots of communication coming in. All right, though there's a disbalance, there's a imbalance in the in your finances, and you might face a betrayal in your relationships. But the final thing is that you're getting victorious above all this. You're getting out of the situation, and you're being appreciated the way you handle the situation with the maturity. All right, so let's have the final outcome for you. What is the final message for my Pisceans? What is the final message for my Pisceans? Oh wow. Parvati, goddess Parvati, the queen of ascetics. All right, so the blessings for you coming from goddess Parvati this week is the defeat of enemies, victory over obstacles, strength in asceticism, union with spirituality, powerful life partner. All right, now this is giving me a clear answer that what exactly is coming for you, Pisceans. All right, defeat your enemy, victory over obstacles. You're getting victorious about the obstacles, as I already told you, for whatever situation you're going to face by the end of the week. Let's say by by Sunday or Monday. All right, you'll be victorious about over the situation. You'll be handle the situations. All right, and then the last blessing is given, that union with a spiritually powerful life partner. So maybe now, as I told you, there's an ending of a relationship coming across for you, my dear Pisceans. So new relationship is your spiritual partner. It's decided by the destiny for you. All right. So a turbulent week, a mixed week, I would say, but then gifts are also coming for you, Pisceans. All right. I hope this resonates with you. Please leave a comment into the comment section down below, and see you next week. Bye bye.